Allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm Yobel and I go by Yobelprize. It's like Nobel Prize but with a Y. Catchy, so now you can't forget it. Since 2016, I've been venturing deep into the worlds of travel and photography. My camera has been my constant companion throughout all my adventures, capturing everything from the grandest of vistas to the wildest of animals. Recently, I ventured into videography, turning fleeting moments into lasting stories. You might have seen some of my short-form videos on Instagram and TikTok, all tailored for smartphone viewing. But now it's time for a change. Welcome to my new chapter, the world of YouTube. This video is like my open letter to you. I promise to bring the world's wonders right to your screen, with a sprinkle of inspiration and a whole lot of learning. Sure, there will be bumps on this unpaved road that I'm on. Challenges, yes. Frustrations, absolutely. But the passion I have, unmatched. So to everyone who's been a part of my story so far, thank you, you're amazing. And to those that are new and have stuck around this long in this video, you're also amazing and welcome aboard. We're going to explore the world and learn the skills of photography and videography together. So remember, I'm Yobelprize, your guide to the world's most breathtaking sights. Hit subscribe, join the adventure, and let's make unforgettable discoveries together. Catch you in the next video.